Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to replace the gear oil in Suzuki car. So this is Suzuki XL6, it's 1.5 liter engine. Procedure to change the gear oil for 1.5 liter Suzuki engines will remains the same. How you have to drain the gear oil, how you have to fill the gear oil, so it will remains the same. So the reason why I am changing the gear oil, because I drove this car for almost 25,000 kilometers. Generally the recommendation, if you go to the service center, they says gear oil is lifelong. So as in my old video, as I mentioned, nothing is lifelong. So the reason why I'm changing the gear oil after 25,000 kilometers, because I have seen few videos on the YouTube specifically where they are discussing the metal parts are there in the gear oil and it's better you replace it. They have even replaced in the 5,000 kilometer or 10,000 kilometer. So in my car I'm replacing the gear oil at 25,000 kilometer. So that's the reason. Another reason, like my gear, when I just since from day one, when I just engage the reverse gear of my car, it gets stuck. So I just get it checked from the authorized service center. They said like it's something expected, remove your leg from the clutch, again engage the reverse gear, it will work fine. So now I was just following the same approach, but since I'm changing the gear oil, I will going to see whether it will going to improve or not. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that the notification of such informational videos you will going to receive. And how to maintain your car, in case you can do it on your own, it's fine. If you can't do it on your own, you can get the work done from outside. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch the video till end. Actually, what's the difference like the video which I'm sharing and with the other people are sharing? So in my video I'm doing all those things at home, so I'm providing very detailed information how everything need to be done at home with very basic tools. So let's get started. Coming on to the gear oil, I'm going to use the Total gear oil. So I'm using Total products since long time, like gear oil and the engine oil. Overall I'm getting a good response from Total products. So which gear oil you need to use in your car? So coming on to the grade, as per Suzuki it's 75W. They have mentioned only 75W and they have not mentioned on the upper side what should be the 90, like it should be 90, 80, 85 watt. So 75W means 75 in winter, like it's supported, and 90 is like in the hot temperature, what will the grade. So it's 90 over here. So if you see over here we have API GL4. So as per the standard, most of the cars we should use the API GL4. Again, you refer your owner's manual, it should be written over there whether it's the API GL4 or something else. So here let me just break you what is API. API is stand for the American Petroleum Institute. It's the institute which standardize the grade of the oils. GL means again it's a gear oil, that's why it's GL. 4 means the grade which can be used for the manual transmission oil, where we have yellow metals. Yellow metals means like a brass, bronze or copper we have in the transmission. So for those we have to use the GL4. So I'm going to use this grade of the gear oil in my car. First of all, let me show you like where you have to drain the gear oil and where you have to refill the gear oil. So make sure you first of all identify where you have to refill the gear oil, because in case you drain the gear oil or any engine oil or any oil, if you don't know where to refill it, it will be, your car will be stranded and you are stuck. As I said, it's Suzuki 1.5 liter engine. So procedure remains the same for approximately or 1.5 liter engines. So let me first of all show you like the where is the transmission of your car. So if you are standing in front of your car with the bonnet is open, so what you see on the left hand side over here, this is your engine, and what you see on the right hand side, it's your transmission. So let me just show you from the bottom of the transmission from where we have to take out the gear oil and from where we have to refill it. So here we are beneath the car. So this is the transmission. So if you see over here, this is like a plug which we need to take out. Again, it's like a 10 mm square socket which need to use to open it. So here, once we open it, the gear oil will going to come out. And to refill the gear oil, this is the plug which we need to take out to refill the gear oil. To open these plug, both the drain and to refill, the size is the same. It's a square 10 mm socket which we have to use. So let's drain the gear oil first. So to open this plug, we need this kind of socket, like it's a square socket. It's a 10 mm socket which will be used. So I will going to leave it as it is for next 5 minutes so that all the gear oil flushed out from the transmission. Now let's open the plug from where we're going to refill the gear oil. So I already shown you the plug from where the gear oil will be refilled. So let me open this plug as well. So first of all, let me show you the plug. So this is the drain plug. So we have like a magnet on this plug. So if you see over here, these are the metal parts, like which is like this magnet has catch from the oil. So all these are metal parts. So definitely we have a wear tear in the parts, and this magnet shows that like we need to replace the gear oil. Initially when we just bought the car, drove it for like 5,000, 10,000 kilometers. So we need to replace the gear oil. So to clean it again, I will going to use a throttle body cleaner. So this is how it looks on the plug. The magnet catch the metal part. Now let's see on the gear oil part how it looks on the gear oil. This is the gear oil. Definitely we have a metal parts. We can see it's like a something silver like thing is dissolved in the oil. So this is how it looks. So definitely we need to replace the gear oil. It's highly recommended after seeing this condition. I drove my car for 25,000 km and this is the condition of gear oil. So we can easily understand like what car manufacturer says gear oil is lifelong, and the outside mechanic says replace it after 5, 10,000, 15,000 kilometers initially first time, and after that every 50 or 60,000 kilometers you can replace the gear oil. Now let's install back that plug and refill the gear oil. Now clean it with a brake cleaner or a throttle body cleaner. Now we have cleaned it as well. After cleaning, we don't see any oil marks over here. Now let's refill the gear oil. So I'm going to use a pipe. So this is a plastic pipe. So I have make a cut on this pipe so that I can squeeze it and insert it in the plug from where I have to refill the gear oil. So it's easily accessible from the top as well. So the plug is visible. And I will going to connect the pipe, and from here I will going to refill the gear oil. So I didn't discuss about the capacity of the gear oil. So it's 2.5 liter of gear oil in Suzuki XL6. So let me just connect the pipe and after that start the refill process. And once I connect the pipe, on the other end I will going to install this funnel like this so that I can pour the gear oil. So this is the setup which I am going to use. The setup is ready. I have connected the pipe and the funnel on top of it. So you can see the pipe. So the pipe is inserted in the plug from where we have to refill the gear oil. So good thing about the Total is they give this tamper proof seal. Once you open it, you can't install it back. So you can see it's properly open, and I'm going to start the refill of gear oil. So you can see the difference. The gear oil which we are refilling is almost translucent, and the gear oil which come out, it's like full of metal parts. So how are you going to identify the gearbox is full with the gear oil? So the oil, it will going to come out from the same plug from where we are refilling the gear oil. Oil has started coming from that plug. So now I'm going to take out the pipe and install back that plug. So you can see the oil is coming out from the plug. Now we have to close the cap. So this is the plug which I'm going to install back. So it's a fair simple process to change the gear oil in Suzuki cars. It won't take more than 20-30 minutes to drain the gear oil and refill the gear oil. Within 30 minutes you can complete the whole process and even clean the parts. So I've shown you, like after refilling the gear oil, I have cleaned both the. So very basic tools are required: the square 10mm socket, a brake cleaner, a pipe, and a funnel. Using all these basic tools, you can replace the gear oil in your car on your own at home. So we have already seen the reason why we have to replace the gear oil initially in the first 10,000 kilometers. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching DIY Guy. Take care. Bye bye.